Want to grow the perfect zucchini in your garden? Imagine harvesting plump, vibrant zucchinis right in your backyard. We're here to guide you through simple, easy-to-follow steps to make this dream a reality. Stay tuned to master the art of zucchini gardening. First things first, timing and location are key. The best time to plant zucchini is in the spring, once the threat of the last frost is behind us. This ensures your zucchini plants get off to a strong start. Now let's talk location. Zucchini thrives in sunny, well-drained spots. So a sunny corner of your garden where the soil drains well is ideal for these sun-loving plants. Remember, timing and location can make or break your zucchini gardening success. Now, let's dive into planting and care. Start by sowing your zucchini seeds about 1 inch deep in the soil, spacing them around 3 feet apart. This gives the plants room to grow and flourish. Regular watering is key to healthy zucchini, so keep the soil consistently moist. Complement this with a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Remember, the secret to a bountiful zucchini harvest lies in the details. Proper planting and consistent care will have your zucchini thriving in no time. Lastly, the moment you've been waiting for, harvesting and troubleshooting. It's best to pluck zucchinis when they're 6 to 8 inches long. Any longer and they might lose their sweet, delicate flavor. Use a sharp knife to cut them off to avoid damaging the plant. Now, if you notice a problem like blossom end rot, don't fret. This is often due to inconsistent watering. To prevent it, ensure your zucchinis get a steady supply of water. With these tips, you're well on your way to a bountiful zucchini harvest. Growing perfect zucchini isn't a mystery anymore. Remember, choose the right time and location, plant with care, and harvest diligently. Now it's your turn to cultivate a successful zucchini garden. Enjoy your gardening journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!